So after you've dreamt it all out, then plan the logistics. Okay. Plan it. You're going to need some forms, medical release forms, um, what kind of allergies kids have, contact numbers of parents, photo release. So start making up your forms. You can have AI do this for you. You can get them, buy them, or get them for free off the internet. Just get a few forms, get those all set up, and then think about the sign up of how you want people to sign up. Look at it from the parent perspective. Try to make it as easy as possible for a parent to sign their child up. Maybe you already have some mechanism through My Music Staff, Calendly, your website, your social media page, whatever you have, use that and just make it easy for parents to do it with just a few clicks and have them go ahead and pay either a deposit or the full thing. And don't be shy about it because to hold their spot, they should pay something.